Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RWD Status with your boy Status here. And today we have another one. Technically it took about 3 to 4 days to get this video done because how extensive it was. So basically I just finished the full polyurethane master bushing kit and all new adjustable arms all around on the 240. So let's go check that out. Let's just start off. These are all the arms that were removed and replaced along with their bushings. So for most of you guys, you already know when you change to adjustable arms, you only have to change one side of the bushings because they come with spherical bushings on the other side. So yeah. Anyway, everything got changed out except for, oh yes, there's also new wheels on the 240. We will be going 5 lugs soon, so now I got 17s all around. So, you know, happy about that. And as you can see down here, we got all the adjustable arms. These are the new ISR arms. They're version 2 arms, so they're the Pro Series. Got them going all around. Really happy with the performance that I've gotten off of it. Alright, so as you can see here, cut the radiator support to add about an inch or so to move back. Now I have significantly, let me work on this lighting situation. Now, as you can see my fans, I can barely see the, Jesus. You can see my fans have significantly more space from the AC pulley there, where they used to actually rub on the AC pulley. So that's pretty bad. Thank God I got it fixed. And significantly better cooling. I have more flow, or more room for airflow behind the radiator. So, you know, no complaints. Also, remove the thermostat, so running an open thermostat now. What else? As you can see, there is no more MAF. We actually moved to a 5-bar map sensor. And the best part of this is right here. This will get cleaned up. This is actually just temporary because that just got put in. So yes guys, we are now running, not a bottle of water, AEM Infinity. So I mean the car runs phenomenal. I haven't put the 2-step on yet, have heard it on. Didn't have the camera for the tune yesterday, but we are now pushing 409 horses to the wheel. So that's willpower. That's fucking awesome. Alright guys, I will go and vacuum the car. I've already cleaned up most of it. Cleaned the dash up, interior. I'm not going to show you the back because it's not exactly clean. But it will be clean by the next video. Promise. Anyway, other than that, got the new AEM. I mean, the AEM Infinity is literally amazing, guys. As compared to what I just came from, the Greddy E-Manage, which is actually for sale. So if anybody needs a Greddy E-Manage, you know, with the plug and play harness, boom slang for any Skyline or GTR for that fact, hit me up, you know, Instagram or whatever. And also, a lot of people have been asking me to make a video on how and some specifications on S14 interior inside the S13. There's a few forums and stuff online you could probably Google, but a lot of those links are dead now. So I will end up making a video this week, and as well as I'll be putting back my glove compartment because it sucks and it's really ugly not having it, as well as cleaning up this wire mess, bird's nest of wire looms down here. So the cameras. Anyway, chilling here.
What's up, guys?
Got an audience. Anyway, we're gonna be painting the car soon. Looking for a body kit. I'm not exactly sure which one I'm gonna pick, so you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and post it in the description. I think I'm going to be finishing the vlog a little early today. Not feeling so great, but those are the updates on what's going on with the Sleeper 240. That's technically no longer a sleeper because it's super loud, and if you add a body kit and paint job, most likely not sleeper. But other than that, really happy where I'm at right now. Car pulls great. I'm not having any idle issues that originally I had from the d.i.y manage, and I'll keep you guys posted and updates on whatever happens next. Peace.
I done took it where they wouldn't go. I been with my niggas from the go. You was flossing all that money, where it go? You be hustling on the corner, where the dough? You be flexing on the gram, where your host? Say you pull up